So, first of all, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart that you came here today and supporting Belmarsh Live in front of the Council of Europe. How you feel after you was in the recreation of Julian's cell?
To be honest, not different than before, because it's great to participate in this project to free Julian Assange, but getting into a prison cell for a minute or an hour or a day, that is a good act of solidarity, but of course I can not imagine how does it feel to be in a prison cell without knowing when you could leave, whether you could leave, and under which conditions you could leave such a cell in which you should not be, because Mr. Assange is not convicted. This is also what I wrote in my letter to Mr. Assange, that I am writing Mr. Assange from a cell that looks similar to his own, according to the artist, and that my thoughts are with him, because that I think that extradition of Mr. Assange to the United States is not proportional, does not fit in our rule of law system, and that I hope that all member states of the Council of Europe, 46 member states, are aware that they are committed to the values of this organization, including the respect for the European Convention of Human Rights, which includes the respect for fundamental rights and the rights to live in freedom and have access to a free trial procedures and not be extradited to the United States. So thank you very much for being here to show my solidarity with Mr. Assange. But what Mr. Assange is going through is beyond my imagination. So let's call for the release of Mr. Assange here, now, because he should not be there. And let's hope that your project adds to the growing solidarity that we should do what we are obliged to do. Free Mr. Assange. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.